Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this gorgeous hair color. You can use your new wig, you can use your old wig, you can decide to change the color to any color of your choice. You don't have to use the same color as I did, but you can also just follow the same method. So I applied the mixture of the blonde developer and bleach, and applied it on the areas where I actually wanted the skunk stripe. So yep, I waited for 15 minutes for the hair to develop. Then I washed it with just water, no shampoo, no conditioner. Then I waited for it to air dry, and voila, look at that. The hair actually transformed amazing. And I applied the Adore dye in electric lime, I believe. I showed you guys what the color is. So yeah, and that was it. It's very easy, very straightforward. And if you're not sure of how to bleach your hair, or not sure how to apply the mixture, I recommend that you apply one scoop first, one scoop of the bleach, and then have the scoop, no, two scoops of the developer. So if that makes sense, there's also always a scoop in every bleach you purchase, so if that would help, you can start from there. So yeah, that's it basically. I applied the Adore dye all over the hair where I wanted the color, and as I said earlier, you can use any color of your choice. You don't have to use lime green like I did, but depending on the hair color that you want. So yeah, that's it basically. Stay tuned for my makeup tutorial. I'll see you.